We did get some seats for the 240. The rails just came in, so we put in one of the seats right here. It actually fits pretty good, but it kind of sucks that the back seats are unusable just because they're not reclinable. But we don't really use the back seats anyways, so it's not that big of a deal. So now all we have to do is the driver's seat. It should be fairly simple. It's only about 4 bolts and we can throw it in the car. So the seat is out. All I need to do is get the bracket and the seats. I have the seats in the house just because I didn't want it to get dirty. So we're gonna flip the sliders around just so that way it can go a lot more forward. So just took off this side and then switched it to the other side. It has a good amount to go back, huh? Try make it go all the way back. Try see if you can sit in it.
Oh. My head touches the ceiling. I cannot drive this car.
You can't drive it?
I can't even sit in this car. No.
Oh. Can you even sit in the passenger seat?
Probably not. Can you drive? Can you reach the pedals?
I can reach the pedals. So these are the seats in the car and it actually feels really good. The only thing that kind of sucks is I feel like it needs to be a little bit more forward just so that way I can reach the clutch. Mainly is the one that I'm having an issue with. So I might have to take the seat off and see if I can drill holes to make it go a little bit further up, just because when I'm driving I'm taking off this cushion and I'm putting it against the back like this just so that way I can reach the pedals, and it kind of sucks because I want to be able to use it how it's supposed to be used, but it's not that big of a deal. It still feels really good in the car, so yeah, I'm pretty excited about them. So the 240 failed me today. I took the car out to test drive it because we just installed these coils with the bags, it was rubbing, and there's a big puka right over here. So the car was stuck, aired out in the middle of the road, and the cops came. They're super cool though, and then there was a couple people that stopped on the side of the road to help me. I had to go and grab one of the Fortunato ones that we were running earlier, just because it was ready to go and it only takes like 5 minutes to put them back in. So we just got back. I took Katie to go and get some food, and I thought I'd just worry about the 240 when I get back home. And I couldn't find my keys, and I just found it. It's in the ignition. I hate this. I don't understand. I thought I had an extra key, but it wasn't where I thought it was. And I think, is it? Yes! This is it! Oh, I'm so happy. I thought I lost the keys. That would suck so much. This better be the keys. Let's see. Yeah! Yes! It's the one. Also, if you guys haven't copped one of these mirrors, this is the pink one. We also have red and blue in stock. It says take care on it. So if you guys want to go ahead and cop one, head down to the description. There's going to be a link to the website.